This video shows how to create system recovery disks for your HP computer using Windows 7. Recovery disks contain backup files of the original operating system, drivers, and application software that came with your computer. In the event that you want to perform a system recovery and the recovery data on your hard drive has become damaged, recovery disks can be used to restore your computer to its original condition. Note: HP recovery software allows you to create recovery media only once. It's important to use blank writable DVDs, DVD-R or DVD+R, to create the recovery disks. These are the only type of DVDs compatible with the recovery disk creation program. During the creation process, several disks will be required. It may take 30 minutes or more per DVD disk. Although it may take some time to create these disks, the disk creation software can be aborted at any time except during the writing or burning process by clicking Cancel. The disk creation software program will automatically start where it left off the next time the program is started. Before you begin, close all other programs running on your computer and disconnect from the Internet. Open the HP Recovery Disk Creation tool from the Start menu. Click Start and then All Programs to bring up a list of software. The Recovery Disk Creation software can be found in either the Recovery Manager folder or the PC Help and Tools folder. Select either Recovery Disk Creation or Recovery Media Creation. A user account control window may appear. If so, click Yes. If you selected Recovery Media Creation, now select Create Recovery Media using blank DVDs. Not all computers show this screen. Click Next. The next screen informs you of the number of disks that will be required and prompts you to insert the first disk. Before inserting the disk, it's a good idea to use a permanent marker to label the disks in case you need to use them to perform a system recovery. Insert the first disk and close the disk tray. Click Next. A verification window will then open. This window shows the type of disk you've just inserted and the number of disks still required. Click Next. The Recovery Disk Creation software then begins the disk writing process. It's important to not interrupt the process once it's begun writing. After the successful writing of each disk, a Disk Creation Successful message will appear and the disk tray will open automatically. You may be prompted to insert another disk to continue. If so, insert a new blank disk into the disk tray and close it. The Recovery Disk Creation software then begins the same process with the second disk. Repeat these steps until you have successfully created all recovery disks and a message appears stating, "Recovery Manager successfully created the recovery disks." Click Finish. After successfully creating all of the required disks, make sure each of the disks is appropriately labeled. Keep all of the disks together when storing them. It's important to protect the disks you created. Store these disks in a safe place out of direct sunlight. If these disks become lost or damaged, you will need to contact HP to obtain new disks. Thank you for viewing this video. For more help, go to hp.com/support.